How to keep motivated when you're in a slump. Anyone can be productive and motivated when things are going well. When you're having a great day and you feel inspired, it can be very easy to set yourself down to work or to get outside and do a workout. The real challenge then is to remain productive when you don't feel good. How do you perform when you feel tired and miserable, or when your motivation has left you? In this presentation, we'll discuss how to get your mojo back on those days and kick ass anyway. Prime yourself. When you feel in a slump, you might wonder what it is that's going wrong. Why can't you summon the motivation and energy to train anyway? The answer is that you have loss of inspiration. Inspiration is the instigator of motivation, and without inspiration, it is very hard indeed to feel motivated and driven. So what's the solution? One fantastic thing you can do is to try and win back a little motivation by priming your mood. Priming means that you're doing whatever you can to try and set yourself in the right state of mind, thus making the challenge that much easier. So for example, if you're trying to find the drive to work out, then a solution might be to watch some training motivation. How about the training montage from Rocky? Likewise, if you're trying to set yourself down for a day of work on a project, how about taking a look at an example of a project that you really admire? A perfect example of the kind of thing you want to achieve. Set rewards. Another tip is to set yourself rewards. That means that you create targets to meet, and then you reward yourself only when you achieve those things. For example, you might say that you'll make yourself a cup of tea once you've answered X number of emails, or once you've written Y number of words. This is instead of giving yourself the reward first, which just ends up taking time and setting you back. By using those things as rewards, you create a goal to work toward. Often, you'll end up putting off the reward for longer once you've begun being productive. Take a break. You know what, though? If you really feel exhausted, then it might actually be better to just give yourself the break. No one can be productive and driven all of the time.